In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can I use ClickUp offline? If you've ever been on a plane, in a tunnel, or somewhere with spotty Wi-Fi, you know the stress of needing to update a task right now. So let's walk through how to prepare ClickUp for those moments, what you can do without internet, and what the limits are. First, open your browser and head to the ClickUp login page. Sign into your account as you normally would. Then click Log In to enter your workspace. Once you're in, open the project or space you want to work with offline. Choosing it now helps ClickUp cache the most relevant data on your device, so it's ready when the connection drops. Here's the key idea. ClickUp does have an offline mode, but it's partial. When you lose internet, you can still view your tasks and subtasks, including their descriptions, due dates, and statuses. If you think of something important, you can add comments to those tasks. Don't worry if you don't see them appear for teammates right away. Your comments are saved locally and will sync automatically as soon as you're back online. You can also edit task details like the task name, the description, and the due date. Those changes are stored on your device and will push to the cloud when your connection returns. And if you've already downloaded any attachments to your device, you'll be able to open and review them offline. Here's what you can't do offline. Not every feature is available without internet. Typically, you won't be able to create brand new tasks, assign work to teammates, or use certain integrations while offline. Think of offline mode as a safety net for reviewing information, capturing notes, and updating details, not a full replacement for online collaboration. A few quick tips to get the most from this. Before you go offline, open the ClickUp areas you'll need and let everything sync so you have the latest data. If there are files you'll want to reference, download those attachments to your device in advance. And when you reconnect, give ClickUp a moment to sync your offline edits. If you made overlapping changes on multiple devices, review any prompts carefully to avoid conflicts. That's it. ClickUp does work offline, within limits. And with a little preparation, you can stay productive even without Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.